Son of a dog.
Are you even trying?
Butthead, move out of the way. I don't want to hit you.
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Madam Iris has left.
Come on.
I hate this game. This game is stupid.
Hey, am I close enough to the bandits so I can teleport both of them?
Yeah, you are. And so, Shahar, Melodious, and Sir Buttkick go back to the farm and return the stolen treasure to its rightful owner.
My treasure! Thank you so much. But wait, wasn't there a fourth?
Hey, you shut up. That's none of your business.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to offend. Here, the reward you like I promised. Here you go.
Thank you.
And for you, this amulet, it allows you to communicate with the holder of another amulet just like that. I am in possession of said.
What would the party like to do next?
We continue our journey.
Gotcha.
Hey, Lady
We need
Iris,
to find
can I
something.
talk for you?
Because
Oh yeah, of course.
we got done with the farm.
Kevin's done.
Yeah, we can go to that.
Are you about to go to
that
Kevin's
one
house?
village over.
I mean, it's
Because like we just let them.
Now, I have an offer for you if you're interested. The next mission they're about to go on, there's going to be a new person introduced. I would like you to play that person. It would fit very well for you.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Please just stop. Just the music. Were harmonicas even a thing back then?
Who cares, butthead?
Hey, hold. Look over there. Listen.
Alright, step back. I know what to do.
Wait, do you know CPR or something?
nah.
Oh my god. Ew.
While you comfort her, you realize you know this person. Although you haven't officially met her, but it's a person anyone in the kingdom would know.
Wait, are you Princess Carly?
Please, help. I need to get back to safety. My castle has been attacked by a dragon. I haven't had any rest, well, until of course now. But every single time I get attacked by these goons. Please, I need your help.
Hey, me and my friends will escort you to the nearest village. You'll be safe there.
No. I insist. Let me take the princess back to her village.
You see, just out the way, a dark figure. He is just about as tall as the rest of you, but with the way he presents himself, he seems to tower over you all.
Hand her over.
Don't worry, Princess. Get behind us.
Very well. You've left me no choice. Ich befehle der Toten, sich zu befehlen.
Alright, everybody, roll for initiative.
Ah, heck yeah.
Melodious, you're up first.
I guess I'll go ahead and give Buttface Budding Inspiration.
Thanks, bud. I want to do a backflip.
Are you sure you want to do that?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I I guess roll an acrobatics check for me then.
Alrighty. Will a 3 hit?
God.
You're gonna take about 16 damage.
What? It shouldn't do that much damage.
It doesn't.
Shoot, not 1 health.
What? How?
I don't know.
Oh wait, it looks like I'm a healer. But how did I get so far?
Don't worry, I'll cover you.
Thank you. Thank you, Princess Holly.
Collie's just fine.
That's about all of them. Now we have to finish with that basement dweller.
Ich befehle den Toten, sich zu beenden.
لقيتها. الطريقة الوحيدة إن نفوز عشان نضحي في البنت.
Alright, can you run that by me one more time?
أمريكية غبية. You're the only one who healed it, Mia. Here. You gotta take this. I got your back the entire time.
I will do this for the love of my people. Gosh darn it, not again.
I want to cast a ray of sickness on the necromancer.
Okay, well, roll for your attack.
Darn, it didn't hit.
Well, not exactly.
Get off me. Oh, Yuma?
Can I just hit him repetitively?
You know what? I'll allow it. Just roll until you get about 100 damage.
Okay.
Can we keep her? She's not a dog. Oh, shut up. I was asking too hard.
Well, we are down a member.
She's bound to bring nothing but trouble. Oh, she can handle herself. Just look at her.
And 100.
Dear travelers, I bring terrible news. The farm, it's been destroyed. Everything is gone. These terrible creatures that claim they're doing the will of a dragon. Please help me.
Guys, we need to get out of here.
As you prepare the boat, you all see something that thankfully has not seen you yet. Introducing the dragon.
Don't worry, Princess. We'll get you back.
Yeah, we'll kick his butt.
You're one of us, man.
No, I thought that.
What? Hey, don't. So we all still a night and then we knock around on the...
Hey guys, somebody's mom is out there in the parking lot, so you might want to wrap it up, get things packed up. Okay?
Always. I like the way that you did that damage attack once. I think I might try it again.
Yeah, that palm really is.
Until next time, little buddy.